Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Death Stranding 2 and the game is not launching on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Death Stranding 2 not launching on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, search Steam for me. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Death Stranding 2. I'm going to use another game as an example. You're going to go into properties, you're going to go into install files, and here you're going to click on the verify integrity of game files. Once that's done, now you're going to go into game versions here, and here you're going to make sure that this is set to the most latest or the default version. So just set this to the default or the most latest version. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, and then Steam apps, common, and then Death Stranding 2. You're going to right click on the Death Stranding 2 exe, click onto properties, go into compatibility, and here you're going to make sure you click run this program as an administrator and also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, okay, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.